Thank you so much. So we're going to get everybody up that has performed tonight. So a big round of applause for all the performers of tonight. Come on up, join us. We're going to play another song from an album that we just released, and the song's called Watering Can. And everybody's just going to get around, and we're going to do this as a finale. I wanted to say a huge thank you, first of all, to Taft. For putting this on, for having us locals come and play. I know there's a lot of out-of-town acts and all that, so I really appreciate them taking a turn, having some locals play. So big round of applause for Taft. Putting on this amazing Spiegelfest. It's still going for like another week or so plenty of tickets still available, I'm pretty sure, for some shows. Some shows already sold out. So make sure you have a good look at the program and see if there's anything else that fancies you. And I want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you that came out today. Picking a show that showcases local talent, that really means a lot, because we need that. We have a great music scene here, and it really means a lot that you guys are here to support it. Without an audience, this would be just half the fun. So cheers, thanks to you. Woo! We totally rehearsed this about 3 weeks every night. Every night we got together and rehearsed this.
Put some love in your watering can. Take a trip to the south in the van. Play the songs that sit close to your chest. Let the wind in your face do the rest. And free, the way to be, bold and new. You may run what you know being true. Put some love in your watering can. Take a trip to the south in the van. Play the songs that sit close to your chest. Let the wind in your face do the rest. Soft and strong, play to belong, warm and real. Show the love and all that you feel. Put some love in your watering can. Take a trip to the south in the van. Play the songs that sit close to your chest. Let the wind in your face do the rest. Put some love in your watering can. Take a trip to the south in the van. Play the songs that sit close to your chest. Let the wind in your face do the rest.
Thank you very much. Cheers for coming out. We'll see you next time, sometime next year. Sing a song about this. Cheers. Give it up for all the performers of tonight.
Thank you to Baker Tilly Staples Rodway and Most FM for your generous support in bringing Mountain Roots to Spiegelfest. We hope to see you at another festival show soon.